John Joseph Madigan was an Australian blacksmith and politician. He served as a senator for Victoria from 2011 to 2016. He was elected to the Senate at the 2010 federal election as a member of the Democratic Labour Party. He resigned from the DLP to become an independent in September 2014 and later launched John Madigan's Manufacturing and Farming Party in 2015. He failed to be re-elected at the 2016 double dissolution election, and the Manufacturing and Farming Party was voluntarily deregistered on 13 September 2016. Born into a Catholic family, Madigan belonged to a youth group run by the National Civic Council founder, B.A. Santamaria, in Melbourne. Madigan was a blacksmith and boilermaker from 1983 to 2011, self-employed in his own engineering workshop in Hepburn Springs, Victoria. He has an apprenticeship in structural steel fabrication from Newport TAFE. He lived in Ballarat and was married with 2 children. Madigan served as vice president of the Victorian DLP from 2008 to 2009 and was elected to the Senate at the 2010 election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.